How to add chroma key in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your green screen footage and the background you want to use into the media pool. Then, drag them onto the timeline. Make sure your green screen clip is placed above the background layer. This way, the keyed footage will appear on top once the background is revealed. Next, go to the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. In this workspace, you will see your footage with several grading controls around it. In the Notes tab, right-click and select Add Alpha Output. Then, connect the blue dot to the alpha output. Now, look for the Qualifier tool in the middle tab. It looks like an eyedropper. Click on it, then use the eyedropper on your preview window to select the green color in your footage. After that, you'll notice the changes. Now, click on the Import tab and you'll instantly see the green screen removed and your background showing through. Now you can edit more settings like pre-filter, clean black, blur, in and out ratio, and more. Adjust to hue, saturation, and luminance setting just below the qualifier tool until your subject is fully isolated and the grain is completely removed. Once the selection is clean, go back to the Edit tab to refine the clip's position, scale, or add effects as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to add chroma key in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.